Yep, meant to do it. Welcome back to the channel. It's a shitty December day, so I thought I'd play out in the garage for a little bit. I got this little lathe, and I keep adding tooling, and I got nowhere to go with it. They usually kind of live here. So I think today, build a little stand for it. Bottom of the taper, 5/8, top of it, 11/16. Try it, do some test holes. I kind of like that. I'm just kind of messing around here, seeing what. I don't have anything thin. Everything I have is heavy stock, fucking 1/2 inch. But it's what I got. So, you're in the way. So I'm just gonna, if I can do something with this. I was gonna go a little bit more spacing and do a single line. I think if I do this, like these two would run into each other. But I can also, see where I'm going with this? Then you can just smaller stuff in between. I think that's the route I'm going to go. Okay, let's do it. Oh no. Yep, meant to do it. That's what I was trying to do. We're just gonna make sure that's seated. And that's probably seated. So the chuck on the drill press wasn't having any of that. Somebody tried to use that as a milling machine. If I ever find the guy. So I've been doing them by hand, and I was sitting here test fitting. Oops. Sitting here test fitting. I just kind of stepped back and looked at it. I'm like, God, I kind of like that. I think I might just take the plate, angle it back. My original plan was to make, you know, stand kind of like that, you know, with all the holes, and then integrate these somehow. But I think I might just leave it alone and let it just be a empty tool holder. Yeah, just tip it back, weld a foot on it. Simple. So I think we're going to do that. We're just going to change the plan mid-game to show the women that we are capable of change. So I'm going to keep hand drilling these. Just because, you know, I get bored. So here we go. making sure that this tapers don't run into the bottom. Fuck, that's hot. Holy. Yeah. See, this is what happens. There it is. I'm sure you're wondering why when this one failed, I didn't move to the bigger, better. Well, this one's not ready yet. There's some finishing touches. Probably have that up in a week or two here, so. Well, there you have it. Nice simple tool holder with room to expand. I'm glad I didn't integrate my turning tools with it. I don't know how I would have kept it quick and easy. When I get around to it, I'll make another video of a tool holder for the turning tools. Right here, right next to it. But I think that'll do it. Catch you in the next one. You know, subscribe and like and whatnot.